Here we are, the second day in spring, and usually there's a spring rally. And Kim, are we seeing that this year?
Well, we've had a 39-cent price increase of wheat. It backed off about a nickel this week. Let's just hope that this rally keeps going.
Okay, now we've been away for about 3 weeks. Get us caught up on what all's been happening in the markets.
Well, the elephant in the room is the value of the dollar, or that dollar index relative to other currencies. We saw that increase another 3% over the last couple of weeks. Of course, you'd think that would be negative for the grain prices due to exports. You look at oil prices, they're down 16%. Gas prices lower. That's neat because I need to fill up my car and my truck. You've got corn prices down 5%. You got soybeans down 7%, and you got wheat prices up about around 4%.
And as we get closer to harvest, what do you think the markets are going to be offering when the crops come in?
Well, if we look at forward contract prices right now on corn, they're bid off the December contract. It's around $3.95. Around the state, the basis, forward contract basis, is a minus 45 cents to a minus 20. In most of Oklahoma, if you go out in the Panhandle, it's a plus 20 cents. So you got the forward contract for corn from $3.50 to $3.75 in Oklahoma, Panhandle area around $4.15. Now sorghum's at a premium. It's the basis is a minus 7 cents to a positive 10 cents, or $3.88 to $4.05. Soybeans, the basis is a minus 90. It's off the November contract. It's $9.40. So that'll give you about $8.50 for a forward contract for beans. Wheat, Kansas City July contract, around $5.50. Oklahoma, the basis a minus 50 in the south, minus 10 to the north. So that'd give you a forward contract from $5 to $5.40. And then canola is really in the tank, anywhere from $5.68 to $6.12.
That's quite a stark difference than from say a couple of years ago.
You bet. Canola prices, you go back a couple of years ago, we had $12, $13. Last year around $8 or $9. This $6 price of canola is below the cost of production, and something's going to have to give there for us to continue to produce it.
Okay, so we changed gears a little bit. Let's look into the Kim Anderson crystal ball. What do you see for prices in the future?
Well, there's a lot happening in the next few weeks. On March 31st, the USDA will release the summer crop planted acres, or the planting intentions, their expectations, our projection. So we don't know what our corn acres, bean acres, soy, cotton, all those acres. We don't know what those acres are going to be, so that's a big known. And then you got the that dollar index, the value of the dollar. It's moving quite a bit. If it goes up, prices are going to go down. If it goes down, prices are going to go up. With all the unknowns, there's not much telling what prices are going to do except waller around for the next week until we get into April and see what this crop's like. It's the time to just stay out of the market and see what's going to happen.
Okay, and when people do get back in the market, you'll be there.
You bet. We're
Okay.
always here.
Okay, Kim Anderson, grain marketing specialist here at Oklahoma State University.